Alright, we are going to be looking at VLOOKUP, how to do it, and common problems with it. I've fought for VLOOKUP for years, and I think I finally figured out where about 99% of the errors come from consistently, so this will help you troubleshoot VLOOKUP problems almost all your VLOOKUP problems will be solved this way. So first, alright, so here, anyone who's ever fought with a VLOOKUP knows what this looks like, knows how, oh no, NA. Now, how the hell do I fix this? So, before we get into what these common problems are, first let's just review the formula real quick. So the formula is VLOOKUP, open parentheses, the value you're looking for, comma, the range of cells you're searching for it in, and the column you want returned. There we go. And the column you want returned. Close parentheses. So up here we have equals VLOOKUP B2 G2 through H2, and you'll notice this is absolute. We'll come back to that. And finally, 2, the column we want returned. So the value we're looking for, B2, the range of cells we're searching in, G2 through H7, and the value we want returned, the second column in that range, number 2. Alright, so when we do that and everything is right, we can drag this down and boom, there we go. Now we have these item IDs associated with our customers. So jelly beans are 221, yep. Gummy bears are 749, yep. Funyuns are 356, yep. So that's when everything works right, but we all know that doesn't happen. So first mistake, the first common mistake is the first column in the range you're searching must be the value you're looking for. In other words, if I'm searching for the word jelly beans, the first column in the range I'm searching, G2 through H7, the first column in that range has to have the value I'm looking for. So here we're looking for jelly bean, but we're searching the item ID column. So no matter what, this formula will never find jelly beans. This formula will never find the item ID for jelly beans because we're searching for jelly beans in the first column, which is the item ID. So this is pretty easy to fix. We just have to take, nope. Okay, I'm back. So while I was gone, I'm not going into working with tables, inserting tables in this video. So while I was gone, I reformatted my table so I could fix it. So we've still got an error, which leads us nicely into the next mistake. Because if we just sort this A to Z, our values pop up nice and neat, because the second mistake is the table you're searching must be sorted in ascending order by the first column. So here we see the same mess we just had before I sorted it. There we go. Same mess here, so our formula is messed up in the same way. So the problem here is that the table we're searching must be sorted in ascending order by the first column. Right now it's not. You can see my little arrow here on my sort button. I'm sorted by the second column. So VLOOKUP is not very smart about this. It's an easy fix. All I have to do is sort it by the first column. Boom, fixed. And then this one, your cell references have to be absolute. I mentioned that earlier in the video. I've got a video below about what absolute references mean. But so for this video, we'll just look. So I've got VLOOKUP B2 G2 through H7, comma 2. So this one works right because the formula is actually right. But if I did an autofill here, I come down here, and I'm searching G3 through H8, which my number's still in that range, so we're fine. Now I'm searching G4 through H9. 356 is the first one of that cell. Now I'm searching B5. And now chocolate bars are not in this range, so I get an error. So all I have to do is make these absolute. Make these absolute. Fill in the formula. And there we go. And then the final one, the one I think is the biggest jerk, is remember to watch your data types. So here we've got formula looks right. Everything about this formula is right. That formula is flawless. However, we are searching for text, and we know this cell is text because it's left justified. We're searching for text when the column we're searching is a number, which we know because it's right justified. So all I have to do here to fix this is convert these to a number, and there we go. Those are all the VLOOKUP problems.